So today I'm gonna review a product. I have used it already. So this is the Sugar Mascara. It's a 2-in-1 mascara. It's a double date extreme volume mascara Duo 01 in blackjack, and it has two sides. One side is this fiber. I don't know. I think maybe the fiber side is give you the volume to the lashes, and this is the other side. Let's try it on camera and show you how it looks in person. Also, I think the fiber side is gonna give you that volume to your lashes if you don't have much of the lashes, because it has some particles. I have applied it but I didn't get what it is exactly for, so I'm gonna use the other side. So I'm gonna use the mascara side, and guys, I have curly my lashes, okay? So while applying mascara, you should take care, like you should, look below and then apply your mascara. The product won't get on your lids, and you don't have to clean it after messing it up. So that side, it's safer, I guess. So this side I have applied the mascara and this side I haven't, so you can see the difference. Quite like it for everyday use. It's not too heavy and it doesn't feel heavy on the lashes, just like some other mascaras which really feels heavy on the eyes. And also it's not gonna give you that very thick and volumized lashes, but it's gonna separate your lashes well, and it does look good for everyday use in my opinion, because some of the mascaras coat your lashes so much that your lashes look so much volumized, thicker, and it just, you can't see the gap between the lashes, so sometimes I don't like it. So I think this is good for everyday purpose. Let's try it on the other eye as well. See? I love it. So I haven't taken much of the product and this is how it looks. So yeah, for me it's good, and you should try it. That's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and please do subscribe, like and share to this video. Okay, bye, see you next time, and don't forget to comment below if you have any queries, doubts, or you want to ask anything, and if you want to say anything. So yeah, bye bye.